So the question is, can you reuse a Dorodango? Yes, you can. We're not completely happy with it. Here I have chipped it, break it down, smash it up as much as you can. I have an old NutriBullet and I just pop it in there and I blend it up, and that will give me a beautiful fine powder. So I add 5 mils less water than I would have originally. It's exactly the same method as if you were to make it from scratch from one of my kits or your own clay that you have sourced yourself. We want to begin kneading our clay and our water together. Within a couple of minutes, it will start to form tiny balls. I'm going to do this for about 15 minutes and I'll show you what it needs to look like before we begin piecing it together to form our core. It's important to take your time with. I'm just going to pop it into the bowl. Really make sure that it's very, very tight and well compacted. I'm going to say that blue and possibly the silver are my two favorites. Blue, that's really, really nice blue, that peacock blue. So yeah, jump onto that when I release it. Make yourself one of those. And put a picture up because I'd love to see. I love seeing what you've done. I'm here to help you out. Okay, so we're pretty compacted here. Okay, we're not all around yet, so that's what we're going to work on now. I like to toss it between my hands, like in the palm of my hand here, because it's nice and soft and it's round and it tends to get a really nice shape, and it also works to compact the ball a little bit more too because of the weight when it hits your hand. So you just cup it in your hand and you just press gently on the high points and then kind of look at the profile over the edge and just make sure it's all round. But this is really fun. I really like making these. I'm honestly pretty obsessed. It's been about 16 minutes, according to my clock there, of shaping this, and it's in a pretty good shape now. It's as round as I think I'm going to get it. So what we'll do now is we're going to sit it down on the little stand that you would have been given in your kit, and place it down, set the timer for 3 hours, and about halfway through or whenever you think of it, just turn it over, because the side that's up is going to be getting a little bit more air than the underside that's sitting in the holder, and also gravity is going to draw the moisture down as well, so the bottom is going to be wetter than the top. So you just want to flip it over and then let that top dry, just whenever you think about it, just to get a really even drying, and that's also going to avoid it slightly warping over the next few days as it dries, as it dries more, because eventually all of this water and moisture that we added is going to escape from this core, and we just want to make sure that it does that as evenly as possible so that we can have a lovely sphere at the end. So that's it done. It's very round, it's looking quite nice. Okay, I'm very happy with that. So we'll pop it here and we're going to leave it for 3 hours and then come back to it. So here it is, our beautiful blue Dorodango made from reused Dorodango materials. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure that you like and subscribe if you want to. Bye for now.